Recording a meeting isn't hard. Your phone can do that. A lot of apps can do that. The real problem starts when meetings are constant, 3, 4, 5 a day, and you still have to turn all that audio into decisions and next steps. That's the part that breaks under high-intensity workflows. Record, export, upload, transcribe, summarize, copy back into docs, over and over again. So we tried the Plaud Note Pro to see if it can remove that entire mess. Today we'll show what it does in real work scenarios, how it fits into a normal professional day, and whether Ask Plaud really works like a second brain for meetings. Plaud Note Pro is a slim, card-sized recorder that attaches to your phone or sits on the table. One tap records your meeting, interview, class, or call. It syncs to the Plaud app, which transcribes the audio and generates usable notes automatically. But the real upgrade isn't just transcription. Plaud turns every recording into a searchable asset. Instead of treating meetings as files you never revisit, you can treat them as knowledge you can query anytime. On the capture side, the Note Pro uses a 4-mic VPU system that picks up voices up to about 5 meters away. In-person meetings, boardrooms, project syncs, interviews, conferences, that extra range matters because you're not just recording the person next to you, you're capturing the whole room cleanly. The Pro is tuned for transcription accuracy, not studio playback, so the audio is optimized to give the AI cleaner input. We tested it in quiet rooms, noisy cafes, and even hybrid meetings with voices coming from both laptop speakers and people in room, and it balanced those sources well enough to keep transcripts reliable. Call recording also works through conduction while the device rests on your phone, and in our tests, the transcript stayed accurate even outdoors or while traveling. This is where Plaud feels like more than a recorder. Real meetings aren't only spoken words. They include whiteboards, diagrams, slides, and quick thoughts you jot down mid-discussion. With the Note Pro, you can mark key moments with the highlight button, about a 30-second window, snap photos of whiteboards or slides during the meeting, and keep everything tied to the same recording. The AI blends audio plus highlights plus images into one connected recap so your final notes don't miss the visual context, which is usually what gets lost first. The AMOLED display helps here too. You can glance down and confirm battery, recording status, and mode without checking your phone, which is surprisingly useful in long sessions. Transfers are noticeably faster on the Pro. If you're going from one meeting to the next, getting summaries quickly makes a real difference. Bluetooth 5.4 plus dual-band Wi-Fi, including 5 GHz, pushed our 25-minute test file into the app almost instantly. Battery life is also built for heavy use, about 30 hours in enhanced mode and up to 50 hours in endurance mode. For light to normal meeting weeks, we went nearly a full week without charging. Once the recording hits the app, Plaud Intelligence generates more than just a summary. You get tailored deliverables depending on your needs, including structured summaries, insights, to-dos or action items ready to share with your team, plus highlights, data-style reports, and speaker perspective analysis. And then there's Ask Plaud, which is the real hero feature. Compared to normal transcription apps, it doesn't just summarize one meeting, it works across all of your meetings. You can search your entire meeting history like ChatGPT or Gemini, but with a memory layer that remembers key decisions over time. So instead of digging through old files, you can ask, what did we decide about Project X last month? When did we lock that deadline and who owns it? Pull the key takeaways from every call with Client A. Even if you forgot, Plaud didn't. That's the shift from files to searchable work memory. Security is also covered with SOC 2, HIPAA, GDPR, and EN 10831 compliance. Across the lineup, the AI experience stays consistent. The Pro mainly gives you cleaner audio, better meeting range, faster transfers, and the display, so the AI is working with better input. After real use, the Plaud Note Pro feels like the most friction-free version for busy people. You get cleaner capture in real meeting rooms, faster sync when you're running back-to-back calls, better multimodal context, and Ask Plaud turning your meetings into a searchable knowledge base instead of a pile of recordings. The regular Plaud Note still delivers the core workflow well, and the Note Pen is great if you prefer something tiny and wearable. But if your week is packed with high-stakes meetings and you want the cleanest record, organize, deliver flow, the Plaud Note Pro feels like the complete package.